Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change network profile type in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing the network profile type in Windows 10 is pretty straightforward. Here are the steps. Press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Click on Network and Internet in the Settings menu. Click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on your connection type. Click on the network you're connected to. In the Network Profile drop-down, select either Public or Private. Public Network Profile. Use case. This is ideal for networks in public places like airports, coffee shops, and libraries. Security. Your PC will be hidden from other devices on the network, making it more secure. Windows will block most network discovery and sharing features. Firewall settings. Stricter firewall settings to protect your PC from unauthorized access. Private network profile. Use case. This is suitable for trusted networks, such as your home or work. Security. Your PC will be visible to other devices on the network, allowing for easier file and printer sharing. Network discovery. Network discovery is enabled, so you can see and interact with other devices on the same network. That's it. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.